Hey stitching muses, and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian, and today I will show you how to modify your bralette pattern if you are using a different width of elastic or different closure. This hack may not change your life, but it will save a lot of your sewing projects. Sometimes you pick a different elastic or different closure than the pattern suggests, and if you don't adjust your pattern first, you will realize something is wrong after you already sewn it. And that's frustrating, right? The good news is you can use this modification with almost every bra and bralette pattern, and once you learn it, you will save yourself a lot of sewing headaches. So now it's time to check if your closure and the elastic you are using match the pattern. So place the elastic along the bottom edge of the back piece, letting overlap about 1 centimeter, and then place the closure. There should be about 6 or 7 millimeters seam allowance left at the top edge of the piece. If that's the case, everything is correct. If you want to use a smaller elastic, for example 2 centimeters instead of 3 centimeters, place it again like this, and then add 1 centimeter to the top edge of the back piece and create new upper edge by connecting this point to the side seam edge like this. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, give it a thumb up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also share it with your sewing friends. You can find all my sewing patterns on sewingvision.com, and don't miss the Sunday's video because I will show you how to make the Stella panties. See you soon!